Good morning everybody. I apologize for actually taking so long to get back to the channel. The weather has been rather mucky most of the time, but it doesn't say that I haven't done anything, so I'll give you a couple of things what I've been doing so far. Working in the shed, and we have cut some wood. The van is starting to take shape, but let me show you quickly what I've been doing in the shed. So these are the countertops. Done the holes. Yeah, there's a couple of surprises, especially that one. I want to put everything together and surprise everybody on what I've been doing. The shed has been rather messy at the moment. That's my fault. I was asked a question the other day from a guy called Max. Max, thank you very much. Let me show you what I have done. So as you know, I've got a 200-watt solar panel on the roof. Now, the van doesn't actually look very different from what you've done or what you've seen, but I can assure you I've done quite a few things in the rain. But Max, this is what I was talking about. I have two eyelets down there, one there and one over there. This is my Bluetti. My Bluetti is this is an AC 200 max, 2000 watts of power coming through. This has been continuously running my fridge at the moment. I've used an RV cable. The RV cable is then connected all the way through. It has been running my fridge for about 2 months now and uses very little power. You can see I have connected lights and also with a dimmer, so I can go all the way down. So there you go. Leave the lights on and it's using nothing at the moment. It's still a cloudy day, but I'm getting 13 watts out of the panel. You can see pretty cloudy, but let me show you where I've taken all the cables through. So this is my toolboxes. I've got one here, one there. This is where the chainsaw is going to be, and the blower vac and a few other tools. I have mounted it on a hinge. Still got to put the second screw in, but there is a fuse box. All my cables are coming through here. I do have a few extra cables because I'm going to add a few things to it, but remove the fuse, nothing works. So every bit of power comes through to here, connected to the fuse box. The RV cable is then connected to the positive and negative. I have at the back chocolate blocks or connector strips for the negatives, and there we go. That is my fuse box. Today I've got to give a second varnish. I haven't done anything over here because this is where the cupboards are going to go. I'm going to put a cupboard down. So there, got a few surprises coming up where those two brackets are. I then have to just give it a second coat, and then I will put the cover back on for the Max fan. Right, so that's the ceiling basically been varnished. This is Meranti and pine, so you can see gaps, and let that dry now, and I'll just touch it up if there's anything I've missed. But starting to look good. I've kept a little bit of this, still got to think of other things to do for other bits and pieces, but that's so far. Now I gotta just let this dry. Weather again, it's not really nice, but at least I've managed to finish that, and I'll get to do a few other bits and pieces. It's the long weekend, but I am going to work shortly, so I just wanted to finish that, and then I can carry on over Sunday and Monday. So there you go, guys. This is the start of it, and coming up towards the end. Doesn't look it, but once I've placed everything in, it should start looking like a van. Just to give you an idea, I'm going to run everything, but it's connected to a USB. Over here, it's connected to a cigarette charger, and it is also connected to a USB as well. That has been continuously going ever since I put the Bluetti in. Fan, that's on, lights are on, fridge, that's working. I just put a couple of cold drinks in at the moment. That is now every single electrical appliance, oh sorry, 12 volt appliance running. And here we are using 18 watts. 24 is coming in at the moment, 19 watts going out. I do have a 240 charger, and I've also got a 12 volt charger that I plug into the cigarette charger in the car, and that will charge the battery as well. These cables will be tidied up, but this plug over here, if I plug that in, I can switch it over to 240 as well via my phone. And on my phone I've got a 240, sorry, not on the phone, in my little car garage I've got a little 240 plugs as well that I can then add to it, and let that run for any electrical cables and appliances. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I am going to be doing a lot more. I've got 2 days off. This is going to be the first time in a very, very long time that I've got 2 days. I will be filming everything and hopefully uploading as quickly as possible. As I said, I got a couple of surprises for everybody, and one's to do with Bluetti, which I'm really looking forward to, and the other one is some couple of tidbits that I'm busy putting into the van. And no, I'm not showing you guys at the moment because we'd like to show you once everything's been completed and what we've done. So yeah, hang on there, we will be adding a lot more. And just like to say thank you very much for subscribing. If this is the first time that you're watching, I'm Callum. Please hit the subscribe button, and new videos will be coming out. Also, if you're waiting, scroll all the way down. I've got some great videos when we were in Uluru or Catherine and going up towards Darwin. So yeah, this is the van. It doesn't look very much at the moment, but all the pieces, or almost, of the jigsaw puzzle have almost been put together, and now it's just laying it out and screwing it in. So thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and hopefully I'll catch you probably tomorrow. Cheers guys.